Hi there, it's Annie Lou. How are you? I got my ArtSnacks box today. I couldn't wait to get home because I got an email saying it was delivered. Okay, let's take a peek. I always like to take out the card on the menu for January. Well, I see that there is a pad, Stonehenge cold press. Ooh, it has a nice texture to it. It's really thick. So I actually have a book dedicated to ArtSnacks. I like the quality of this paper. All right. So I do like this. I think I would use this for trading cards or something. Nice. Very nice. Right, so the first thing, I see there's paint in here, but I am going to go to the wrapped stuff. And in here are, I kind of peeked already at, someone had already posted something on. I'm so impatient, I just can't wait. So we have a Stabilo pen. Oh, it's a nice hard nibbed pen. And very nice. I wonder if it is permanent. I'm going to get some water and check that out. So also included is a King Art brush, a round, a number 2. So I want to see if this pen, the Stabilo Sensor F, is permanent. So I've got some water here. Oh, it's not. It's not. You know, it's okay that it's not, but you need to know. Got the sticker. It's all colors. And I don't even know what flavor that is. It's a lifesaver. And we have some paint. Oh, some golden fluid acrylics. All right. I like golden. Red oxide and ultramarine blue. Shake them up. What I do is I give it a shake and I take my color from the cover. So I have the ultramarine blue and the red oxide, and I have them, like I said, I always just take from the covers. There's plenty of paint in there. It's like a palette. So I have the brush and load up. Oh, the brush is nice. Very good. Okay, so that is the red iron oxide. I don't think I can get a third color mixing the two of these together. I think it'll make mud. Okay, so the ultramarine blue will come down. Very nice. I like that. I do use paint a lot. Acrylic paints is one of my favorite things. And what's even more important, you get the opportunity to try things that you usually would not use. Okay, so now I am going to create something with these supplies, and I have dedicated a box to ArtSnacks. So I do have my stuff in here from last month. And, oh, my favorite pencil, the drawing pencil. Okay, so let me go ponder about my project.